Yeah. So first, today we will solve the homework which I was given. Then we will solve more balancing. We will practice more balancing by oxidation number method. Then we will start ion exchange method. That is also very important. Okay. So let's start. Let's start. So first homework, what I have given, I think this is this one. Just a second. So first, what I have given, that is zinc plus AgNO3. It forms zinc NO3 whole twice plus Ag. This one. So let's see balancing, how you have to do the balancing. So first we have to write down the reaction, that is zinc plus AgNO3 this one. Now here zinc is in zero oxidation state because it is in elementary form. And here if we consider here, that means in zinc nitrate, what is the oxidation state of zinc in zinc nitrate? Can anyone say? Oxidation state of zinc in zinc nitrate? See, zinc will be X. Okay, so if we consider this reaction, if we consider this compound, see, so zinc will be in +2 oxidation state because it will be divided into zinc 2 plus and NO3 minus. It will be divided into zinc 2 plus, it will be divided into zinc 2 plus and NO3 2 minus. Okay, so zinc will be in +2 oxidation state. Now, here in silver nitrate, what is the oxidation state of silver? +1. And here, obviously, it is 0. Now, from this one, 0 to +2, oxidation number increases. Oxidation number increases means oxidation number increases means oxidation. Number of electron loss. Number of electron loss is 0 to +2. Number of electron loss will be 2. 2 electron loss. Okay. Now here, see, silver nitrate to silver. So this one. Oxidation number decreases. Oxidation number decreases means reduction. Number of electron gain, 1 electron gain. It is a gain of 1 electron. Now in a redox reaction, number of electron gain or number of electron loss will be same. In a redox reaction, number of electron gain or number of electron loss will be same. Right. So here, if in oxidation process 2 electron loss, that means in reduction process 2 electron have to gain. So that's why we have to multiply it by 2. Then the number of electron gain and loss becomes same. Now we have to write down the reaction again. Then it will be zinc plus 2 AgNO3. Zinc plus 2 AgNO3. It forms zinc NO3 whole twice plus 2 Ag. Clear?
Yes, miss.
Yes, everyone. Biprodeep, Devanay, Arjo.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are moving to our next equation then. Now next equation, that is MnO4 minus plus Br minus. The reactions take place in basic medium. It forms MnO2 plus BrO3 minus. So first step is what? You have to find out the oxidation state. So now you tell me, what is the oxidation state of MnO4 minus here? I'm writing the reaction again. You have to say me the oxidation state of manganese in MnO4 minus. See, in manganese, MnO4 minus, what will be the oxidation state?
6.
Huh? Say?
Miss 6.
No, let's see. MnO4 minus. So here Mn will be x minus 8, because oxygen is always -2. So x minus 8 equals to minus charge is there, -1. X equals to -1 plus 8. So x become +7. So here Mn become +7. Clear?
Yes, miss.
Now bromine over here, bromine will be -1, obviously. Now here in MnO2, x minus 2 oxygen, 2 oxygen means 4 equals to 0 because it is a neutral molecule. So x will be +4. So here Mn will be in +4 oxidation state. And BrO3 minus. In BrO3 minus, Br will be x. Oxygen is -6 -1. X equals to -1 plus 6 means +5. Here bromine will be in +5 oxidation state. Clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now we have to find out oxidation and reduction. Now, +1 to +4. Oxidation number increases. Oxidation number increases means
Oxidation.
Number of electron loss. Number of electron loss will be
Miss 3.
number of electron loss will be 3. Okay, very good. Now, if I consider this one, see. Oh, sorry. I have done mistake and you didn't say anything. See, oxidation number increases. So it will be from bromine to bromine, this one, +1 to +5. So here oxidation number increases. This oxidation number of electron gain, number of electron loss will be, how many electron will be lost?
Miss 4.
Huh? Here bromine is in -1. Here, sorry. Here bromine is in -1. Bromine always -1. So bromine, here bromine to plus bromine. That means 6 electron loss. It
Yes,
is
miss.
6 electron loss. Okay. And now if I consider this one, Mn2, this one. So here oxidation number decreases. Oxidation number decreases means reduction. And number of electron gain will be 3 electron gain. 3 electron gain. So here is 6 electron loss. Here is 3 electron gain. Then that means we have to multiply it by 2. Now let's write the reaction again. MnO4, 2 MnO4 minus plus Br minus 2 MnO2 plus 2 BrO3 minus. Okay. Electron we have balanced. Now we have to balance charge. See here, how many negative charge in reactant side? 2 and 1, 3 negative charge, right? Here is 3 negative charge. And this side, see, here is 2 negative charge. Understood or not?
Yes, miss.
Sorry, I am doing wrong mistake and you are doing. We don't have to multiply it by 2. Because we are multiplying MnO4 and MnO2. That will be same. So here is negative charge, here is 3 negative charge. Here will be 1 negative charge. Now how can we balance it? See, as the reaction is taking place in basic medium, I can add OH minus. So here is 3 negative charge. If I add 2 OH minus over here, then charge will be balanced. Okay. So that means we have to add 2 negative charge in product side. I'm writing the reaction again. 2 MnO4 minus plus Br minus 2 MnO2 plus BrO3 minus plus 2 OH minus. Done. Charge balance also both the side. Now we have to balance hydrogen. Now we have to balance hydrogen. Here, how many hydrogens here in product side? 2 hydrogen. So obviously we have to add 2 water. We have to add 2 water. How many hydrogen is here? 2 hydrogen. So if I add 1 water molecule, see, hydrogen is balanced. Now we have to find out oxygen is balanced or not. See here, oxygen is 4 to the 8 and 9, 2 to the 4. 4 are 3, 7 and 1, 4, 3, 7 and 2, 9. So oxygen and hydrogen is also balanced. So this is the balanced reaction. Clear? Tell me, clear or not?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's do another one.
Miss, once can you explain why are we adding OH minus and H2O?
Why we are adding OH minus? See, we have to add OH minus to balance the charge both sides. See, if you consider this portion, okay, this portion. See here, how many negative charges here? 2 and 3. In product side, 3 negative charge. In product side, 3 negative charge. And in reactant, in reactant side, 3 negative charge. And in product side, 1 negative charge. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, miss.
Okay. So in reactant side, 3 negative charge. In product side, 1 negative charge. Now we have to balance the charge. How we can balance? As the reaction is taking place in basic medium, that's why I can add, or you can add OH minus. The number of OH minus required to balance the reaction, to balance the charge. So here is 1 negative charge. If I add 2 more OH minus, that means both the sides will be 3 negative charge. Then the charge will be balanced. That's why I have added 2 OH minus. Now I am added 2 OH minus. Then I have to balance the hydrogen and oxygen. To balance the hydrogen and oxygen, I have to add water in the other side. If we add OH minus in reactant side, then we have to add H2O in product side, vice versa. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's see. And if the reactions take place in acidic medium, then we add H plus. Okay. Let's see the next reaction. See. Understand these things very carefully. See, Fe2 plus, all will be in aqueous medium. Fe2 plus Cr2O7 2 minus aqueous medium. Reaction H plus means reactions take place in acidic medium. It forms Fe3 plus Cr3 plus. Both will be in aqueous medium. Okay. Now we have to find out oxidation state and reduction state. So first I'm writing the reaction. Fe2 plus Cr2O7 2 minus Fe3 plus Cr3 plus. Now here I have to calculate the oxidation state of chromium over here. So chromium, 2 chromium atom, 2x minus 14 equals to 2 minus, because total charge of the atom is 2 minus 2 negative. So 2x will be 2 negative plus, sorry, it will be 2 negative plus 14, x equals to plus 6. So here chromium is in plus 6 oxidation state. See, clear or not? Here chromium is in plus 6 oxidation state.
Yes, miss.
Now we have to find out oxidation and reduction process. See, Fe2 plus 2, Fe3 plus. Fe2 plus 2, Fe3 plus. Oxidation number increases or decreases?
Miss decreases.
Fe2 plus to 2 to 3, oxidation number increases. Fe2 plus to 3 plus, oxidation number increases. Oxidation number increases, that means it is oxidation process. And number of electron loss will be 1 electron. 1 electron loss. Now here, chromium 6 plus to 3 plus. Here oxidation number decreases or increases? Here oxidation
Miss
number
decreases.
decreases. So here oxidation number decreases means reduction. Number of electron gain.
Miss 3.
Number of electron gain is 3. Yes. Now you have to find out one thing. See, here how many chromium atom? In Cr2O7, how many chromium atom? 2.
Miss 2.
On product side, chromium is 1. Right? So first we have to balance the chromium. So that's why I have to write over here 2. We have to balance the atom also, right? Here is chromium is Cr2O7. That is 2 chromium atom in reactant side. In product side, there is 1. So I have to balance it. That's why I have to add 2. Okay. Now, if 1 chromium atom is when it is moving from 6 plus to 3 plus oxidation state, if 1 chromium atom gain 1 electron, then if 1 chromium atom gains 3 electron to change its oxidation state from plus 6 to plus 3, so 2 chromium atom will gain how many number of electrons? 6. If 1 chromium atom, when it is changing its oxidation state from plus 6 to plus 3, when it is gained 3 electron. Okay, suppose this chromium, 1 chromium atom from plus 6 oxidation state to plus 3 oxidation state. How many number electron? Number of electron gain will be 3. If here it is 2 and here it is 2, so number of electron gaining will be 6. Yes or no?
Yes, miss.
Number of electron gain will be 6. Okay. So here the number of electron gain will be 6 then it will be 6 electron gain. So here is loss of electron 1, gain of electron 6, loss of electron 1, gain of electron 6. we have to balance it. So for that, we have to multiply this reaction into 6. Okay. So after multiplying the reaction, I'm writing the reaction again. See, it will be 6 Fe2 plus Cr2O7 2 minus 6 Fe3 plus 2 Cr3 plus. Okay. Now we have to balance the charge. See, in reactant side, 12 positive charge, 2 negative charge. That means 10 positive charge. Here is in product side, 18 positive charge plus, you can say 6 positive charge. That means 24 positive charge. 24 positive charge. So in reactant side, 10 positive charge. In product side, 24 positive charge. So number of positive charge difference is 14. So where we can add H, then as it is a reactions take place in acidic medium, that's why we can add 14H plus in reactant side. So the now the reaction become 6 Fe2 plus Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus. Now if I'm adding 14 in H in the reactant side, so in product side also I have to balance hydrogen. So Fe3 plus 2 Cr3 plus, I have added 14 hydrogen. 14 hydrogen means 7 water molecule. So if I add 7 water molecule here, see the reaction is balanced. Oxygen is also balanced. Here is 7, here is 7 oxygen. Oxygen is also balanced. Tell me, understood or not?
Yes, miss.
Everyone, I want response from everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Okay. So one interesting one, disproportionation reaction. So one will be disproportionation reaction. Okay, like I2, okay, I2 reacting with NaOH, it forms NaI plus NaIO3 plus H2O. Okay, I2 plus NaOH, NaI plus NaIO3 plus H2O. Now we have to find out that oxidation and reduction process. Okay, now here, see iodine. Iodine is in 0 oxidation state. Here, iodine is in -1 oxidation state. And if I consider NaIO3, here, we have to find out the oxidation state of iodine over here. It is X. So sodium is always in +1. Sodium is always in +1 plus X. Oxygen is always -2. Here is 3 oxygen. So -6 equals to 0. So X minus 5 equals to 0. That means X equals to +5. So iodine will be over here +5 oxidation state. Clear?
Yes, miss.
Now, the interesting fact is there. Here you can see one iodine. One iodine is actually, Reduction is take place 0 to -1. In another case, 0 to +5. You can say oxidations take place. So if for this type of reaction, what I can do, see, I can write I2 plus I2 over here. I2 plus I2 plus NaOH. It forms NaI plus NaIO3 plus H2O. Okay, NaI. So I2, I2. So if I consider both are 0, so we can see, we can write the reaction C. And here it is -1, here it is +5. So 0 to -1, 0 to -1, you can say that oxidation number decreases. That means reduction. And here is gaining of 2 electron gain. Look at very carefully. And from here, this one, oxidation number increases. Here is oxidation and 5 electron loss. Now we have to balance the reaction. That means balance the number of electron, 5 electron loss, 2 electron. That means we have to do the cross multiplication. We have to do cross multiplication. We have to make 2 into here, 5. Right?
Yes, miss.
First to tell me number of electron 0 to 0 to -1, number of electron gain will be 1. I'm writing 2 and you're saying it is right. Number of
It's
electron
2
gain,
atoms are there, no?
huh?
It's 2 atoms of iodine are there.
That's why we need to make 2 in both the side. So see, so that means we have to write over here 2. We have to write over here 2. Right? We have to write 2 in both the side. So here, that means the number of oxidation number reduction, 2 electron gain, and there is 5 electron loss. So if I write it, then it's become 5I2 plus I2 plus NaOH. So it forms 10 NaI plus 2 NaIO3 plus H2O. Now we have to balance sodium. Sodium over here is 12. So 6I2, 5I2 plus 1I2, 6I2. 6I2 plus 12 NaOH. It forms 10 NaI plus 2 NaIO3. Now we have to balance the hydrogen and oxygen also. So here 12 hydrogen. So obviously 6 water. Now, so I can just simplify it. I can write it like this: 3I2 plus 6 NaOH. It forms 5 NaI plus NaIO3 plus 3H2O. See, understood or not?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Okay. So I'll just give you one homework. This one, Cl2 plus IO3 minus plus OH minus forms IO4 minus plus Cl minus plus H2O. That is your homework. Tomorrow I will ask. Okay.
Yes, miss.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.